gray code formation, we will see how to form a gray code table, and also we will see why is it called as reflected code. Now suppose we are given a single bit G0 to represent the gray code, then the single bit can be either occupied by 0 or it can be occupied by 1. So if we are given two bits, suppose G1 and G0, then we will get 0, 0 as the first gray code. Then always start changing from LSB bit, that is from G0. Here we will get 1 and again this will be kept as it is. Then we can change the G1 bit to 1 and keep the G0 bit as it is. As we know, two consecutive numbers or gray codes differ by only single bit. Then we will change the LSB bit, that is G0, back to 0. So in this way we will get the gray code for 2 bits. Now suppose we are given a 3-bit gray code, suppose G3, G1 and G0. Always we are going to change the LSB bit, that will be G0 bit first, then G1 bit and then G3 bit. So here first we will take G0 as 0 only, then we will change it to 1. Now we have already changed the LSB bit to 1. Now we cannot change it again to 0. So here we have to change the G1 bit to 1 and G0 bit as it is. Now here we can change the LSB bit G0 again to 0. So here we will keep G1 as it is and we will change G0 to 0. So in this way we have already completed the combination of 2 bits. Then so we cannot make any changes to G1 and G0 now. So we have to make change to this G3 bit. Now we will take the G1 and G0 bit as it is, as we know that two consecutive numbers should be differing by single bit over here. Now the next, again we will change the G0 bit to 1, this will be our LSB bit. Then we will change the next bit, that is G1 bit to 0 and keep the G0 bit as it is. Then lastly we will take the LSB bit as 0 again. Now we will see why is it called as reflected code. Now if we see this part of the table, here we can see that 0, 0 is represented by 0 in decimal, then again 1, 3 and here 2, and again here we will get 2, 3, 1 and 0. If we see this part of table, it is nothing but the reflection. So here it is going in this order and here it is the reverse order. So that is why it is called as reflected code. Now we will see gray code table for 4 bits. Suppose we are given G3, G2, G1 and G0. So we will have a 4-bit gray code as 0, 0, 0. Then we will take the LSB bit as 1, that is G0 bit as 1. Now we can change the G1 bit to 1 and G0 as it is. Then we will take 0, 0, 1, 0. So again here we are changing the G0 bit. See that you always start changing from G0 bit, then you go to G1 bit and then you go to G2 and lastly you will go to G3. So in this sequence we are going to change the bits. Now 0, 0, after 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, we will get 0, 1, 1, 1. Here it will be 1, 1, 0. So again we can see that this part is going to be repeated for 3 bits. So here it will be 0, 1, 1, 1. Now here we can see that again we have changed the G0 bit. Then next 0, 1, 0, 1. Then we have changed the next LSB bit. Then 0, 1, 0, 0. Now here the combination of 3 bits is completed. Now we have to change the 4th bit, that is G3 bit, and again we have to repeat this process. Now we have to keep these bits as it is. Then 1 1 0 1. Now here in these two consecutive numbers you can see that we have again changed the G0 bit, then we will be changing the next bit to LSB, then 1 1 1 and again G0. So we are repeating the G0 bit changes again and again, then again 1 0 1 0, then here we have changed the G2 bit, then we will again change the LSB bit, that is G0, then we will have 1 0, we will change the next bit, that is G1 bit, and lastly we will have again 1 0 0 0. Now again if you see this table, you can see that this sequence is getting repeated over here. If we convert this, just a minute. So if we see here, this will be 0 in decimal, this will be 1, here it will be 3, 2, 6, 7, 5 and here it will be 4. Now this is a 3 bit, we are only seeing this 3 bits, considering only these 3 bits. So again if we write down decimal value for this, we will get 4, 5, 7, 6, 2, 3, 1 and lastly it will be 0. So here we can see that again this code is getting reflected from here. So this part is in this direction and this will be in the opposite direction. So we can see that it is getting repeated but in reverse order, that is why it is called as reflected code. Thank you.